In this video, we are going to show you how to sign up for a Bluehost account and then set up WordPress on that account using a very simple one-click install that only takes a couple of minutes. So here's what you do. You use our link to go to Bluehost and then you click the Get Started Now button. Once you click that, you're going to select the option that suits you best. I will be very frank with you. The Prime is going to be the absolute best value for your money. It's $5.45 a month, so it's very, very affordable. You simply click Select. You either say if you want a new domain name or if you have a existing domain name, and then complete the rest of the sign-up process. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you're going to be taken to your control panel, which we're going to show you right now. Now, because no WordPress professional is going to actually install a site live on a new domain name, the way that you're going to set this up is quite simple. You're going to go to your WordPress control panel, or your Bluehost control panel, which looks exactly like this, and then you're going to click on Domains. Once your domain manager comes up, you're then going to click on Subdomains. Now, it absolutely does not matter what you name your subdomain because we're going to be transferring this over to your main.com once this training is finished. But for this example, because we are recreating a site called Penny Pinchers, we're just going to create a subdomain called thepennypinchers.valkeryie.com and then simply hit the Create button. Once this is done, we can begin our WordPress install. Very simple. There you go. So it's been created. You simply return to subdomains and then you're able to work on your WordPress install, which is the next step we're going to show you. After successfully creating your subdomain, you're going to go back into your hosting menu. Once your hosting menu comes up, it's very simple. All you're going to do is click Install WordPress. And once that comes up, in a second, once our internet decides to cooperate, you'll be redirected to this page where all you have to do is simply click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, you're going to select the subdomain that you just created. So we're going to select the pennypinchers.valkeryie.com because that is the subdomain that we just selected. And then Bluehost is going to automatically check that domain for us to make sure that WordPress can be installed on there. Now, while Bluehost is doing that, we are actually going to uncheck these two boxes because we're not going to be using these plugins in this example. And this will automatically install those plugins with your site, which is something that we don't want to do. Once your installation is ready to begin, there's simply just a couple things you need to do to change it. You're going to name your site name or title, simply type in whatever that is. Give yourself an admin username, an admin email address, and then assign yourself an admin password. I personally like to choose something that will be easy for me to remember, and you can change that option right here. Then you simply click on the I understand and read the terms and conditions and click the install button, and then I'll show you what happens next. At this point, it's just going to take a few minutes for Bluehost to configure your WordPress installation on the subdomain that you just created. And after that, I'll show you how simple it is to log in using the credentials that they give you, and that will be your completion of this module. Once your installation of WordPress is complete, simply view your login credentials here and click on the link to be taken to your WordPress dashboard so that you can log in for the very first time. And in just a second, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. This is what your first login page for your WordPress dashboard will look like. It'll have your username and password actually already populated in there. So all you have to do is click in Log In, unless you have to change your password. like I did just now, and then click Login. And this is exactly what your WordPress dashboard is going to look like when you click Login the very first time. So what you're going to do, your very first task on your WordPress dashboard is click on this little button right here saying, I don't need help, because you're taking this course. Once that's done, you're going to come to what your WordPress dashboard will look like. We'll go into customization and all of the other things that you actually need for your dashboard very soon in the next module. But for now, you're set up and you're ready to go in less than 6 minutes.